who said tarot cards are only used in negativity or only used for bad spells? No, it is not. Basically, tarot cards are not only a fortune telling cards. These cards are basically can use for manifesting, for creating different manifest. Whatever you are using at law of attraction, you can use in it. Law of attraction can be used in different forms. You can use law of attraction with water, you can use your manifestation of law of attraction with tarot cards, and you can write notes 5 into 5. Plus you can use law of attraction with candle. There are so many techniques, but if you are thinking everything will turn in very like fastest way, no, it won't. It take time. Basically everything take times. Whatever happens, it happens in divine timing. Basically, even if you are manifesting on full moon with your tarot cards, you will see the positive results every time. It is not said that only witch is or tarot card readers or psychic or astrologers should only have a tarot cards. Basically, I deal with many of my clients. I keep on saying, if you want to use your tarot cards, you can use it with your manifestation, you can use it as for your healing if you want to. I use many of my client healing with my tarot cards. So basically, if you people think that witches are bad, witches are not bad, or any type of witch, magic is not black nor white. Tarot cards is an occult object, basically, which says totally accurate thing. I'm a psychic, I can say even without card I can catch your aura even without your tarot card. So basically, whenever you do manifesting with tarot, it will always give you only a positive result. So don't think that whenever you are doing spell with tarot cards, so it will not turn negative. The result will always come within accuracy. If you want clarity, I'll tell with my experience in some other time, but with my experience what I am gaining right now, yes, tarot cards are very accurate regarding spell work also. So it's not compulsory that only tarot card readers have to use tarots. Even a normal human being, if you have that power in you, you can invest your power with tarot cards, spell works, healings. You should know your power because everything happens in a timing. Everything has its own time. Okay, universe gave everything as its own time. So basically, you need to have a little bit patience whenever you do healing from me or other psychic or other witches or whomsoever, or if you do, even if you are doing reading with me or whomsoever, you need to have patience. If you are coming to me thrice and if you think I'll give you a free exchange, no, I won't. It is my professional, so don't think I will give you the free work all time. So whenever you come reading with me, come with an advance payment. Okay guys, so this was a small speech about tarot card spells. So don't think tarot card is just a negative regarding the spell work or healing work. It will give you a positive, it will definitely give you a positive result. So it's up to you how you take a psychic medium, psychic, tarot card reader, healers, or witches, whomsoever you're dealing with or whomsoever you go to. So it's up to you. Okay, so thank you and love you a lot. Bye bye.